The crutch is shorn directly after the belly. The aim is to remove the crutch wool, which may contain short wool, urine stain, shanks or dag. Timing is critical. Remove crutch wool as the shearer is shearing away from the crutch to avoid interfering with the handpiece. After removing crutch wool, push the leg into correct position in line with the sheep's leg in between the shearer's feet. Use a hands-free technique to remove the shank or to skirt out crutch wool. Position yourself so that you are not standing directly in front of the shearer when removing the crutch. You should be in line with the shearer's shoulder. Prepare and sort as directed by the wool classer.